chocolate. You gonna be good? It's freezing. It's hot. Hot, hot. Okay. Okay.
Let me blow it.
Is it good? Are you sure? Why are you moving so much? Okay, let me try it. I like it. Okay.
She's saying freeze it because I put her food in the freezer to cool it off before she eats it.
I knew what she was talking about.
I was just making sure if you was confused. She has those little bits to keep her awake. Gotta wake her up. Good night, little baby. Bye-bye.
I'm gonna make me a hamburger. Shh. Let's make us a hamburger.